Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to add cross-sell and upsell products in Odoo. Now, cross-selling and upselling are sales techniques designed to encourage customers to purchase additional or higher price products and services from your website. So cross-selling can be achieved by suggesting optional products when items are added to the cart or by recommending accessory products on the checkout page. Optional products are suggested when the customer selects a product and clicks add to cart. To enable optional products, go to your website, e-commerce products, then select a product, go to the sales tab and enter the product you wish to feature in the optional products field. And once you select everything, guys, it's gonna be something similar to this. So you could add to cart and you will have available options and some add-ons that you can add to your cart. So like accessory products here, like a guarantee here, or the review, like this is like a table, and here suggested accessories like chair. So why not buy a table and get some chair with it? Why only get the table? This is something similar to this. Here, alternative product, like you are getting this table. Well, there is other brand of tables that you can get which are expensive, but still they are pretty good. So yeah, simply just by following what I just mentioned, you will be able to add the cross-selling and upselling to your own website, and this can actually help you increase your sales and get your customers interested in some product that you were not really able to sell them alone. So with this technique, you can actually sell packs and even earn more in every sale you make. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.